Hi guys, so today I'm here to talk to you about this product called Water Science India, which is basically a water softener, and all of us are really tired of the hard water problems, especially in Hyderabad. So they're going to send along this product which fits your shower panel, and it's pretty easy to install. So they've sent the DIY kit so that you don't have to call a plumber. And it needs to be changed just once in every 6 months, which is pretty reasonable. And the coolest part about it is it comes with a reminder, so you needn't keep it in your head. It'll remind you after 6 months to change the filter inside so that it works well. And it comes with a user manual and a warranty card. And also thank you for sending these aromatherapy shower pads. Thank you, Water Science.